Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here, speaking from my clinic called Sakhyam. The mission of Sakhyam is well-being of all. So I was saying how blame keeps us stuck in a victim mode. If you want to switch from a victim mode and from a powerless mode where we feel the outer situation, other people's emotion, everything around us has more power on us than we ourselves, then yes, you may continue what you're continuing. Because blaming is a habit, it's like an addiction. When we get stuck, it gives us a comfort to remain there and doesn't allow us to feel that anything was in our hands. So it makes us more easier with ourselves in a opposite way. Actually, it's being harsh with your own self. So if you don't want to give this excuse to yourself and don't feel guilty about it, because when you stay there you feel worse and probably that looks familiar to you, the way you have been reacting till now and you have seen other people reacting. But understand, growth is beyond this. Growth is beyond this blaming, and growth is beyond getting stuck in a victim mode. Then you need to take a choice of a person who is more powerful. You need to free yourself from a shackle and the limitation which you have built around you to remain where you are. I'm sounding a little harsh, but if you sit today and reflect back, you will see that there are so many instances where blaming felt good in that moment, but it didn't help you on the long run. So, if you want to grow and want to take a choice of a peace within, then take responsibility of your action. It is different from blaming yourself. In blaming, you say, I am like this, I always fail, I never do anything right. And that is more like a punishment to yourself. It's like child talking to a small child and saying, you did this, you did this, you did this. You think the child will stop anything? No. It has identified itself with that flaw and it will become the same thing. You'll identify yourself to be a messy person and you will never change. It gives you a power or a lineage or an excuse to be what you are. Instead, take responsibility of your action that yes, I did this. What did I learn from this situation or from this mistake or from this whole thing that I would have done in a different way? What did I learn from this? I learned I have some part of me which is not ready for this. I have some part of me which is scared of a lot of things. So I identify a different part of me and I learn from that part how to step out of it and grow further. That gives you more power. That gives you more freedom. That tells you that I am ready now to take responsibility of my own action and move forward. The moment you take responsibility, you move from a reactive mode to a reflective mode. You move from a person who is blaming to a person who is taking responsibility. And responsibility is not that burdening. Responsibility is only taking a choice to respond aligned to your inner as well as outer world. When you align this, that's when you bring peace to your own self. And today choose peace over any kind of conflict which looks comfortable and habituated, but it is not serving you the inner purpose. The inner you is not happy out there, and that does not bring across a person who would want to feel happy within and spread happiness outside. So let's not punish this person inside us which likes to blame and not take responsibility because it feels comforting to be like that. Instead, take responsibility and learn from your lessons and grow from there. Choose growth, choose choices, choose being powerful, and choose being you. That's when you will smile from within and everything will look more brighter. Ending on this note, I would like to wish all of you to have this journey to make a powerful choice to be you and free yourself from the shackles of blaming and excuses. Hope this video has added some value to your life. See you soon. Do write in the comment section how do you like this. Thank you.
face.